Meet the ultimate precision control for your mini excavator. These heavy-duty walking pedals feature a sleek metallic finish with textured anti-slip surfaces for maximum grip in all conditions. Perfect for Kubota U15 through U35 and Sani 16 models. They deliver smooth, responsive operation. Whether you're navigating construction sites or handling delicate landscaping tasks. Scan the QR code in the upper right corner to explore pricing and delivery options. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more expert equipment reviews and smart purchasing tips. Key specs include durable alloy construction, universal compatibility, and easy bolt-on installation.